Bullish Doge cost expectation goes from $0.100 to $0.310. Doge cost could likewise reach $1 soon. Doge negative market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.069. This Dogecoin price prediction video depends on specialized investigation alone. Underneath, you will see the key measurements that we have thought about after concocting our Doge value examination and expectation. Dogecoin is one of the digital currencies in the crypto world that keeps on making commotion. Subsequently, financial backers all over the planet are currently intently checking the advancement of the questionable cryptographic money. As far as exchanging volume, Doge has a 24-hour exchanging volume that is around $397,484,249 as of now. Moreover, the Doge digital money is likewise popular in the Reddit people group. Hence, numerous members of Reddit will generally join the Dogecoin frenzy recently. Furthermore, the monstrous cooperation of Reddit clients has impacted the cost of crypto of late, along with transitional tweets from Elon Musk. Now that we know about Dogecoin, how about Doge proceed with its upswing position this year, thinking about that it gave financial backers a profit from venture is more than 170% in 2021. Might it be said that you are as of now intrigued? Subsequently, go along with me and let us head to the outlines in this video. Dogecoin value examination and cost expectation 2022. What is Dogecoin, Doge? Dogecoin, Doge, is connected with a well-known Doge internet image and highlights a Shiba Inu on its logo. Additionally, the open-source advanced money was made by Billy Marcus from Portland, Oregon, and Jackson Palmer from Sydney, Australia. Be that as it may, it was forked from Litecoin, LTC, in December 2013. Dogecoin's makers conceived it as a tomfoolery cheerful computerized money that will have more prominent allure past the center Bitcoin crowd. In any case, it is connected with a canine image. Much more, Tesla's CEO Elon Musk posted many tweets via virtual entertainment that Dogecoin is his #1 coin. Since we have a thought regarding Doge, do you figure Doge will be productive crypto in 2022? Go along with me and let us see the outlines in this Doge value examination and Doge cost expectation. Dogecoin, Doge, current market status. As of the hour of compassing this Dogecoin cost examination, Doge exchanges at $0.082 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $397,484,249. The cost of Doge has expanded by 1.82% as of now. Moreover, Doge has an ongoing coursing supply of 132.67 B Doge. As of now, the top cryptographic money trades for Doge are Binance, OKEx, Cointiger, Upbit, ZBG, Gate.io, Kraken, Bitfinex, and KuCoin. Presently, we should continue to the following piece of this Doge specialized investigation for 2022. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Analysis 2022. Presently, Dogecoin holds 10th put on CoinMarketCap. However, will the most recent updates, improvement, and changes in the Doge blockchain assist the cryptographic money with valuing to reach higher? We should continue to the diagrams in this Doge cost expectation video. Specialized investigation pointer that is utilized to decide pattern headings by estimating the instability above or beneath the candles. From the Keltner channel signals for Doge USDT, we can reason that the cost of Dogecoin could get bullish since it had a new recuperation from its past downfall. Be that as it may, in the long haul, the cost could get bullish since top digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are now getting negative from the new bullish run. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, measures the general energy and the greatness of ongoing cost changes to derive oversold or overbought resources. The RSI worth of the one-day outline is 40.35. Assuming this pattern proceeds, Doge could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its $0.100 RESISTANCE1 level, and move higher to $0.310 at the RESISTANCE6 level, the 2022 bullish sign. Alternately, assuming the financial backers betray the crypto, the bears could dominate and oust Doge from its upswing position. In less difficult terms, the cost of Doge could dive to nearly $0.069, a negative sign before any inversion could be anticipated. In the interim, our drawn-out Doge cost expectation 2022 is bullish. It has a high chance of outperforming its ongoing all-time high, at about $0.7376 as per CoinMarketCap this year. Nonetheless, that will possibly occur assuming it breaks numerous past mental protections. On the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Doge will reach $0.7023 toward the finish of 2022. In addition, the main portion of 2022 will show quick development, up to 27 cents before the ascent will unite. With impending organizations and advancements coming to $1 is very hopeful in the cost of view yet without a doubt plausible for the not-so-distant future. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2023. In the event that Doge holds a relative strength index, RSI, over 60 toward the finish of 2022, purchasers will then, at that point, have adequate time and steadiness to fashion the following assault mission on the imperative level at $1.5 in 2023, making it not full yet play reliably. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2024. According to the most recent redesigns, improvements, Doge cost expectation, and new undertaking estimates of the stage, Doge financial backers could expect numerous associations and combinations around 2024. Also, this could support the cost of Doge in the crypto market, and it will be all that speculation, as the cost can spike and stretch around $3. Dogecoin, Doge, Price Prediction 2025. In the following 4 years, Doge costs could race up to $5. Be that as it may, arriving at this level couldn't be so challenging for Doge as extra medium present moment, and long-haul value targets could be found to buy or sell orders. This shows that Doge has a high chance of coming to another ATH soon in the following 4 years according to the expectation. Dogecoin has a splendid future in front of it in 2022. With the continuous improvements occurring inside the Doge environment, as well as in the generally speaking crypto market, we might see Doge arrive at new levels. Bullish Doge cost forecast 2022 is somewhere in the range of 10 cents and 31 cents. As said above, it might try and reach $1 on the off chance that financial backers have concluded that Doge is a wise interest in 2022, alongside standard digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum.